Okay, friends, I will give some introduction for this software. This is basically like Autodesk product. You know any other Autodesk products?
Yes, we are working AutoCAD. Yeah, so we are aware of that.
So you are aware of AutoCAD, right?
Yes.
How many of you like aware? Everyone is aware of AutoCAD.
I think everyone who's attending today, I think they all are aware of AutoCAD, what they are using now.
Okay, it sounds great. And then, what about your background, educational background? You studied engineer or?
Yeah, we are basically. I'm a diploma on civil engineering, so we are all having basic civil engineering background.
Civil engineering background, right? So you will be having lots of technical knowledge, na? Because we have studied everything in our college. In each semester, we studied many papers.
Yeah.
So, okay. So in that case, in Civil 3D, what we can do in the sense, like we can able to make use of the AutoCAD shortcuts.
Okay.
Okay. So for example, in AutoCAD line, what is the shortcut? L enter like that. Because otherwise you need to change the workspace. So in spite of changing the workspace, if you know the shortcuts, we can easily do something in Civil 3D. So that's why AutoCAD must be essential before learning Civil 3D. So I think I will also give some brief about AutoCAD, and then I will move forward to Civil 3D. Okay. So the Civil 3D, especially for the transportation field. So where we can able to do for roads and then alignments, and also it is for land developments. Okay. Even this we can make use of surveys, land parcels, everything we can able to do. And town planning, this kind of things, Civil 3D we are using. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I will share my software. Okay. See, actually, in this laptop, I have installed this version. Okay, it remains the same. May I know which version you have installed in your computer?
2021.
It's great.
In my 2022.
Okay. You also having 2022. Is that a student version or the original version?
No, it's a trial. It's a trial version for 30 days.
Okay, it sounds great, but trial version in the sense you can able to make use only within 30 days.
Yes.
Now they changed. Before it was 30 days.
No, it's 30 days.
That's great. Okay. Otherwise, another suggestion, you can go for a student version.
Yeah.
Yeah, that they will provide you 3 years.
Yeah, understood.
Okay. See, here we have, like when you are installing the Civil 3D itself, you can also install the AutoCAD also. See, I also having the desktop shortcut for AutoCAD. This is for AutoCAD. I have installed this AutoCAD also with the help of Civil 3D installation. Okay. And we also have Imperial and Metric. You know the difference between Imperial and Metric, na? Imperial in the sense, do you have any?
Yes. Yeah, Imperial is feet and inches and Metric is meter and millimeter.
Okay. Okay. These are all the things we have. Okay. Mostly we will continue with the Metric, this Civil 3D. Okay. So what you can do to launch the software, you can just double click now. Simply it will launch the software. Okay, this is what the Civil 3D user interface looks like. Okay, here, what are the things we have, we will discuss now. And most of you people knowing the AutoCAD interface, now it is similar to AutoCAD interface, but little bit changes we have here. See, we have an application menu. In this application menu, we can able to click and we can able to create a new file, or we can able to open the existing files. We can save our files. We can save as our file, and we can export to some other versions. We can publish, which means like we can send to email if you want through this publish option. And we also can able to print. Okay, and we have utilities. Okay, we have suite workflows and everything. Okay, which means like here you can able to go for workflow manager and everything. Okay, and we have close options. In close option, we have current drawing and all drawings. Okay, this also we have. And we also have options. These options we can click and we can able to see what are all the things that we have in it. Okay, this is similar to AutoCAD options. Okay, see, for example, you might be knowing in drafting, we can able to go and change the marker size, aperture size, and even you can go for some colors. See, here we have black color. Why we are using black color in this kind of CAD software? Because we are going to work with the software for a long time. If it is like bright colors or white color, this is not good for your eyes. That's why they prefer to have this color, black background. Okay. If you want to change also, you can able to change from here. Okay. See, for each and everything, we have different color. For sheets and layouts, we have white color because we are not going to deal with sheets or layouts for a long time. Okay. And again for 3D and then 2D everywhere, like it's like a black color only. If you want to change, you can change here and everything. Okay. And we have user preferences and everything. And here we have right-click customizations. Okay, by default, what you have, it's enough. Like we can able to make use. If you're changing something, it will be like difficult. Okay, so don't change anything unless otherwise you know what you are doing. Okay. Okay, so we have seen application menu, and then here we have quick access toolbar, right? In quick access toolbar, we can able to access everything quickly. For example, we have a save option, a print option. Now we also have this kind of option, open from web and mobile, and then save to web and mobile. If you are working in a cloud-based platform, we can able to do all these things. Okay, if you have the logins and everything, and we have undo redo. Okay, and we have this is called a workspace. Okay, in this drop down, you can able to shift from Civil 3D to AutoCAD. How you can go to drafting and annotation, then the same platform will become AutoCAD. I will try to do so. Then we will get the AutoCAD tools here. See, this is what the AutoCAD tools, AutoCAD window looks like now. So we can able to change our workspace in between the work. So here I'm just going back to Civil 3D itself. And we have a title bar here. See, we have title bar and we have info bar. Info bar in the sense we can go for help window. This help window will be very useful for Civil 3D software especially. So kindly make use of it. If you're not aware of some tools or something, we can make use of the information bar, and where you can able to switch this question mark icon. This is for help icon, help window. It will open. Okay. But it will be connected to the internet. So you need to have internet connection before going to this. Or sometimes when you are installing offline help also will be installed together. So you need to check there. See, now we got the help window, and here we can able to search for lots of helps for lots of tools in the Civil 3D. Okay. Okay, then we have minimize, restore, and then close options, and then we have a ribbon. Okay, in this ribbon we have tabs, home tab, insert tab, annotate tab, modify tab, like that. Okay, in this ribbon, home tab, in this home tab ribbon, we have different tools, palette tools, create ground data tools, create design tools, and everything. Okay. Okay. So if I'm telling something, go to modify tab and then go for edit geometry tools, means you need to go, you need to search the icons here. Okay. Okay, and then the important here, we have tool space. Okay, in AutoCAD, what we have important? Anyone, can you tell? In AutoCAD also, we will be having similar to this, what it was. I will give you one shortcut. Can you remember what it is?
Hey, it's a property toolbar.
Okay, property toolbar na. So if you are having property toolbar in AutoCAD, then we can able to do everything in a perfect manner, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Similar to that. Yeah, similar to that, we also have a tool space in our Civil 3D. Okay. Okay, this tool space, how to toggle on or toggle off? Here in home tab, we have a tool space, right? You can just switch it off when it is like gray color, which means like it is off. When it is in blue color, which means it is on. Okay, like this, we can able to switch it or switch off. Okay.
Yeah,
okay.
That's true.
And here we have like some tools, right? See, for example, in the tool space, we have different tabs: Prospector tab, Settings tab, Survey tab, Toolbox tab, and everything. Okay. So this also we can able to toggle on or toggle off. For example, mostly we never use toolbox and everything. So I can switch off the toolbox. So the toolbox tab, it won't be available here. The rest of the things we can make use of it. And if you don't want survey also, you can switch it off. Only these two mostly we use, but survey also, if you want, you can make use of it. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And apart from that, we also have a property. Control 1 is the shortcut. This one only I gave now. Okay. Yeah. And then this one, tool palette. Similar to property, we also have a tool palette, and then AutoCAD Design Center. Do you remember all these things? Still, it will work.
Yeah.
So ADC enter means like it will go to the AutoCAD Design Center. Okay. Then if you are going for TP enter means it will go to tool palette. Otherwise control 2, control 3. Control 1 for property, control 2 for AutoCAD design center, control 3 for tool palettes. Okay.
Tool palette. Yeah.
Okay. In this tool palette also really essential for Civil 3D. Okay. Here we can able to take assemblies and everything. So default things we can able to take from. So all these things here we have. Okay. So for property, control 1 is the shortcut, and another shortcut, PR enter. Even if you are putting PR enter, then it property it will come. Same control 2 for AutoCAD design center, and then ADC enter also the same. And control 3 for tool palette, TP enter also tool palette. We have seen something in this user interface, right? Like what is the last point we are discussing about?
From tool palette, we are expanding.
Okay, that's great. Like next thing, like what we can do means like, okay, this is enough for this. Okay, and here also you have now. This is like we can say, see where we can able to see ortho mode switched on or not. Okay, or if some O track switched on, a polar track something. Okay, this what
and this is Hariprasad, and this is basically the same settings as AutoCAD has, no?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, same as AutoCAD. Where also we are using ortho mode, na? F8 means ortho mode. Okay, this we can say like display bar or something. Okay, so where we can able to see what is displayed on or display off, something like that. Okay, and here also we can able to go for scaling. See here we can able to go for scaling and everything. We can able to go for isolate objects or remove isolation, everything we can able to do from here. Okay, we can say status bar. This status bar showing what are all the things switched on. Now the polar tracking is switched on, and then the object tracking is switched on, and also OSnap also switched on. Okay, in OSnap the shortcut also OS enter. Okay, in OS enter, see everything not switched on. You need to select all and you need to click OK. Otherwise we can't able to find midpoint at all. We can't able to find node at all, because node, midpoint and everything is important in Civil 3D. Okay, so whenever you can't able to find midpoint or nodes or something like that, you need to go for select all and you need to click OK. Then no issue, everything it will be coming. But sometimes if it is like congested project, you will be having many things to deal with. So where you can able to select what are all the things you want. That's why they are leaving it to you. If you want something, you can select. Otherwise, no need to select. Okay, but better select all is enough. So we can able to click OK. Okay. Okay, so mostly we are going to deal with the prospector. Okay, we are going to create something. What we are creating, it will be here in the prospector. If you are creating points, it will be in point groups, points and point groups. If you are creating some surface using the points, the surface it will be here. And if you are creating alignment on top of the surface, all the alignments it will come here. And if you are creating some parcels, land parcels, then it will go to site like that. Okay, if you create some corridor, it will go to corridor. Okay, if you have some assembly, it will go to assembly, everything. Okay, and apart from that, if you want to change some settings, then you need to go for settings. See, in settings we can able to change anything for point or surface, everything. Okay, what you change here, which means point style, label style, what are the things you are changing here, it will come there in the prospector. Okay, okay, so the user interface you are okay with, na?
Yeah, for the basically the settings is for the what we can edit point, the styles and all. That's
Yeah.
what you are,
Yeah.
Whatever the surface what we are creating, so we can edit through the settings.
Yes, absolutely. Okay.
The styles and okay.
Yeah.